Hey there, welcome to the first episode of a new series where we will be diving into the exciting world of creating Pixar-like characters in Blender. If you are new here, my name is Rajat and I'm just as new to Blender as you are. So we are going to learn together every step of the way. First thing first, let's download Blender first. Go to your browser and go to website blender.org. Now here click on download. Now click here download Blender 4.1 and just save it. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and install it like you would any other program on your computer. Now just open it by double clicking. Click on next, 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 and click on install. Now just click on finish, and there we have it. Blender is now installed and ready to go. In the next video, we will dive into the interface and start exploring some of the basic tools, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future episodes. Thank you.
Sharing noises, it's what I used to do.